Meaning of hemline.
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 Hemline. Hemline refers to the length of a garment's bottom edge, commonly referred to as the hem. Hemlines can vary from short to long and can have a significant impact on the overall style and appearance of a garment. A shorter hemline may be considered more trendy and youthful, while a longer hemline can appear more conservative and traditional. The choice of hemline may also be influenced by factors such as the occasion, personal style, and body type. Ultimately, the hemline plays an essential role in determining the overall aesthetic and practicality of a piece of clothing.